birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my love! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my love! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Coco. Happy birthday. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are at downtown Disney for Hasi's birthday because he's officially won. So we're meeting up. We're going to the Mickey and Friends brunch thing. I don't know, my sister invited us because she wanted to do something for Hasi. So we're like, yes, let's go. So yeah, we're just on our way. And that's California Adventure right there. Tomorrow we will be there.
Shout out Mickey.
Cute, Hasi. Happy birthday! Hello. Hi, Mati. Hi, sister. You look cute. Okay, trendy.
How are you?
Hi, Mateo.
Hi, my baby. Happy birthday, my baby.
Where are we?
No le gusta. He doesn't like it.
Yay!
Toda la mañana a ver. A ver si.
Cheese. Okay.
Right there. Like floating.
Hold on. Hold on. Ready?
Hey, Hasi.
Good, Mikey. Yeah. He's looking everywhere. You like it, Papa?
Leave me alone, Mom.
I found the Twilight House. Can you buy for me? Look, right there, look.
Oh, the top one?
Yeah.
20? Assembly? Where's the stroller?
Your mom has it. She went that way. I told Megan to buy me the Twilight House. She said no. So that didn't really work. Why did you get a balloon? Let me see your balloon. Whoa! And they used to just have like 4 characters. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, Daisy. Do I need it? Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this one. Oh. No. This is so cute. They put it on their shoulder like this.
Yo vi que el muchacho traía uno aquí.
Ya, ¿no quieres uno?
Pero ¿con qué lo pegas o qué?
I think you put it on.
Oh, ya, porque yo vi que lo traía aquí colgado.
Oh yeah.
Pero no se le
It's like a
cae.
magnet.
Oh, ¿es it?
Yeah, look.
Oh.
That one a magnet?
Yeah.
Ah, sí.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, sí.
You put this.
Lo pega. O sea que se pega como...
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Go, Mati, do it again.
Say it.
This is nice. It's kind of giving like Harry Potter. Wow, so cute, Ozzy. Oh, so handsome.
Go get food.
Yeah. That Mickey and friends come to you. Everything's included except the alcohol. Good, Mario. This is Hassie's plate. Hassie eating his eggs.
They'll be right back with some more.
High five, high five. High five, high five. Yay! Thank you. Bye.
Así es. This I'll say hi to the vlogs.
Hi, Hassie. Happy birthday.
Sóplale, sóplale.
No quiere. ¿Te gusta la música?
This is hard. I don't know. It's frosty.
Well, the frosting is hard.
The frosting's hard. One, two, three. Hassie. My mom is all amazed. She's like, I'm gonna just buy a little something so they can give me the bag. Because the bag is cute. Ma, ¿qué dijiste?
Te voy a comprar algo nomás para que me den una bolsa.
What's the cheapest thing here? ¿Qué was the cheapest thing? This is so cute. How am I getting?
I like you.
Ah. Oh, the Pixar stuff. Pixar stuff. Oh yeah, I found some ears. Okay, so they have the new ones with the big bow, and I want to try it on. Because it just depends if it looks good or not on you. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh, this is big. This is really big. Let me go see if there's a mirror. Hold on. Over here. This is huge. But they're so cute. It's a really big bow. I feel like there's these other ones that would like really go with my hair. But let me see. It's these. Like, don't these look cool with my hair? Like, I feel like this looks so cool. Look. But then I feel like it blends in too much with my hair. But it's looking good. What do you think about these? Well, now I can't wear it because it's not gonna match my crop. I kind of like this hat. This is cute. Not really? I'm tired.
He's like, I'm tired.
I'm really craving a Jamba Juice, so I'm speed walking over there because they're over there getting beignets. So I gotta hurry up. Hello, can I do the white gummy a medium?
That for some medium white gummies?
Yes.
Alright, anything else for you today?
That's it.
Alright, and can I just go ahead and get a name for your order?
Vanessa?
Vanessa, by any chance, do you have an annual pass at Disney?
I don't.
Alright, $11.69 is going to be your total for today.
Thank you.
By the way, I like the color of your hair.
Thank you. Thank you. Harriet, I think I should have gotten a small because this thing looks really big. Girl, I should have gotten a smaller one. But it's okay because I feel like Mike is going to want to take some. And when he drinks it, he drinks like half of my smoothie.
I'll call you when you
Oh, so good.